In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Streak CRM for Gmail. Streak is a customer relationship management tool that lives inside your Gmail inbox, letting you manage pipelines, track emails, and collaborate without leaving your mail. To get it up and running, you'll start in Google Chrome. Make sure you're using the desktop version of Chrome, since the installation happens through the Chrome Web Store. Open Chrome and navigate to the Streak CRM extension page in the Chrome Web Store. If you already have the web store open, you can search for Streak CRM for Gmail to find the official listing. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the extension description and the option to install. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome may show you a brief summary of what the extension can do, which is normal for tools that integrate with Gmail. In the pop-up that appears, confirm by clicking Add Extension. Chrome will download and install Streak automatically. You'll usually see a small confirmation message that the extension has been added, and sometimes a new tab with a welcome page may open. That simply means the installation was successful. Next, go to Gmail. If your inbox is already open in a tab, give it a quick refresh so the new features can load. If Gmail isn't open, head to your inbox now. After the page reloads, you should see Streak's interface integrated into Gmail. This might look like new menu options, a Streak icon, or additional panels that relate to pipelines and email tracking. That confirms the extension is active and connected to your browser. The first time you open Gmail after installing, Streak will likely ask for permissions so it can work inside your inbox. Click to sign in with the Google account you want to use with Streak. If you have more than one account, choose the one associated with the inbox where you'll manage your workflows. Review the permissions and then grant access. These permissions allow Streak to display pipelines, link emails to contacts and deals, and enable its features directly in Gmail. Once you've authorized access, Streak is ready to use. You can start exploring the options that appear in your inbox and organize your messages with pipelines and boxes. If you don't immediately see the interface, refresh the page once more and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account in Chrome. That's it. Streak CRM is now installed in Gmail and ready to streamline your inbox.